Hi again, everyone. This is Adam Corin with MaestroConference, our training manager here. And what this video is going to be about is how you can use our breakout technology to create even more flexible and creative breakout groups than you can just with our basic breakout settings. So this video is going to be good for if you already know how to use breakout groups using this blue Create button with MaestroConference. So I'm going to go into a little more detail about all the different things you can do flexibly and creatively to set up breakouts. Okay, so there's a couple things I'm going to show you. One is how to create breakouts based on polls, and the other is how to create breakouts based on custom data, text you would enter in custom 1 or custom 2 here. Okay, so let's start with polls. So let's say you're about to do a breakout group and you do a quick poll that sounds something like this. Okay, everyone, press 1 on your phone if you've actually experienced this exercise that we're about to do here, and press 2 if this will be your first time experiencing it. Okay, so let's just say these people press 1 and these people press 2, for example. Okay, so I'm going to put their hands up for them since this is a simulation. Okay, so all the hands are up, that's great. Now, what I can do is simply hit Create Breakouts, Participants, let's say groups of 4, and there's a couple things I can do. I can keep the hands together, I can mix them. I could keep the hand positions together, let's say if I wanted just the experienced people to do the exercise together. So as you can see, all the people who pressed 1 are in group 1, 2 in group 2, the people who pressed 2 are in group 3, etc. Okay, let me dissolve those. And or I could mix the groups. Let's say I wanted to have some experienced and some new folks in each group. I could go down here to mix hand positions when possible and hit commit. And as you can see, we've got a couple of people in each group in each of these breakout rooms. All right, so that is how you can create breakouts based on polls. Now let me show you custom text here. Okay, so I'm dissolving those breakouts and let me put all the hands down at once. Okay, let's say, let's say you've discovered on the call, I'm just going to make up an example here. Let's say all these people are cat people. And so what I'm doing is I'm going over to the Info tab, and in Custom Field 1, I'm going to type in cat. And then for everyone else, let's say they're dog people. All right? So Custom Field 1 over here, I'm going to put dog. Now I've got all these people highlighted. And here's what I can do with that. A couple of things. With breakouts, let's say there was a breakout group just for people who are into dogs. I could go to Create Breakout by Data and create the breakouts using Custom 1, commit. Now what that's going to do is it's going to create one giant breakout group. In this case, there are, I believe, 13 people who are into cats, and they're all in one big breakout group, and then another for dogs. Or let me dissolve that. The other thing I can do, see, I dissolved the group, but the custom text still stays there. I'm going to hit Create, and I'm going to do equal size group. Let's say I just want groups of 4, and I want to keep the custom text together. So I want groups of 4 and the cat people together and the dog people together. Okay, or I could have mixed them. All right, so as you can see, I've done that based on what's in Custom 1. Now, I also want to mention you can set up what's the text in Custom 1 before your conference. Let me show you how to do that. Over in the conference details page, I've already set up this where in Custom 1 you can see we've got some experienced people and some newbies. Let's say this person is also experienced and this person here is also newbie. So as you're seeing, I'm actually I'm clicking on the Custom 1 or Custom 2 link, and I can type in whatever text I want there, and then once they dial in on the call, that will show up just like that. Or we've got some documentation under MaestroConference.com/support, and then under documentation, which you're seeing on the screen here, which will show you how to register people and enter the Custom 1 text automatically. Okay, so those are some options you have to do some creative breakout groups using